Good morning, children. Children, welcome to next class of geography. To start with our lesson, let me share a beautiful lines with you. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Over every mountain, there is a path, although it may not be seen from the valley. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. So, children, we should be grateful to our Mother Nature. Now, let us resume to our lesson. Previous class, I told you about endogenetic movement, the internal movement which happen under the surface of Earth, and as a result, so many formations are there. One of them we studied in our previous class about fold mountains. Because of the energy waves, pressure working towards each other, the layers of the soft rock form fold, leading to the formation of fold mountains. So, children, I told you that fold mountains are result of pressure which working towards the layer of soft rocks. As a result, the formations are new young fold mountains. And also I gave you example of Himalayan range, Aravalli range, the Rockies, the Alps. So today we will see another feature of internal movement of earth, that is block mountain. Children, when a part of earth crust between two parallel faults is lifted, a block mountain is formed. Because of internal movement, horizontal waves moving away from each other are formed. This causes tension on the layers of the rock. This leads to formation of fractures in rocks. They are known as faults. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in hard rocks also form due to compression. Children, when the movement, internal movement, is horizontal waves in a direction of horizontal waves moving away from each other. So when these movements they are moving away from each other, so what happened? There is formation of fractures. A thin small line, fractured line which appears in the rock, and they are known as fault. Fault means as in if I will see in dictionary meaning, the fault means which is not accepted or a default. So there is also fault in rocks. So folding is there and faults is there. In previous calls also I told you the formation can be fold and it can be of fault. So block mountains are the result of faults. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in hard rocks also form due to compression. So what happens when there is hard rock and soft rock? Compression is there, pressure is there, the formation takes place. So faults is there when they are moving away from each other. As a result, block mountains are formed. You can see these picture. These are the picture where you can see the formation due to the horizontal waves which moving away from each other. So what happened? As a result, the formation happened in form of block mountains. So the compression is there in hard rocks, and as a result they move upward and the formation is there. They move upward away from each other. Understood? So the compression is there, and as a result formation of block mountains are there. So block mountains are formed due to tension. Some type of tension in the rocks are there. So, and this tension is due to compression and we can say compression and tension. So, example, if we'll take example in our country, Meghalaya, plateau of India, and in Europe, Black Forest mountains are the result of block mountain. So, block mountain having example of the Black Forest mountains and Meghalaya plateau of our country. So this is the formation due to internal movement of earth.